In this video, I'll guide you through how you can get your LinkedIn API key. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To get your LinkedIn API key, at the beginning you have to open a new tab and search for Developer LinkedIn. Now you have to open the first link, developer.linkedin.com. Once you come to this page, then click on Create App. Now you have to type your app name. Let's go with SEO plugin. Then type your company page URL and then add a privacy policy URL. Now you have to upload your logo and accept legal agreement and click on Create App. Now you have to click on Authentication. Now you have to copy your client ID and then copy your primary client secret. Also you can create a new API key by click on Generate a new client secret. Then click on this confirm button. By following this tutorial, you can easily get your LinkedIn API key.